Oh, yeah. I am pumped for this guy.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from South Korea, weighing in at 250 pounds. Rich Tiger.
All these superstars come into this match incredibly hungry to prove their dominance. I can't wait to see what unfolds.
승리하라 최강기아 열광하라 다 이거지
Always walking around with a chip on his shoulder. He's going to use that anger against his opposition.
모아서 외쳐라 외쳐라 최강기
And here comes one of my favorites.
And his opponent, representing the Brawling Brutes from Area 51, weighing in at 260 pounds, the Captain X.
Hey, where's the horse?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, what
모든
horse?
The high horse this superstar always seems to be on. Did Jerry Lawler write that line for you?
호기심 가득이었지 그러다 자연스레 스며들어가고 너와 나는 서로의 일상이 되었지 내가 내딛는 걸음에 힘을 가져주었던 내 앞에 있는 날들에 바라봐준 네가 있기에 그저 이 자리에 머무르던 나에게 새로운 길이 보이게 됐어 언제나 함께했던
He's physically and mentally prepared for the task at hand in his big-time match.
너의 일상의 웃음을 비워주고 싶어 당신의 행복이 되고 싶은 나의 꿈길 속을 걸으며 오랫동안 환한 웃음 지을 수 있게 어제 햇살 같은 언덕 웃음을
You're looking at a well-traveled superstar who has seen a lot in the ring.
With experience comes confidence. There's nothing you can throw at this competitor that could phase him in the slightest.
He'll be looking to utilize that wisdom in this matchup.
But don't overlook his opponent, a superstar who is tired of living in the shadows.
Counters to gain the advantage. He pulls off the reversal. Quick thinking that time. And there's the Uranagi. Landed them. Watch out. High impact.
We all know what he's thinking here. He saw that one coming.
Textbook head scissor takeover.
Very nicely done. Just disrespectful. Disgusting behavior. There was no respect shown there.
Uh-oh. Camel clutch. How do you counter the camel clutch?
He's prying their hands apart.
Forearm to the kidneys. Impact from the forearm. It's starting to take their toll on him a little.
Working the leg with that move.
Goes without saying, but a leg injury will hamper your ability to do just about anything. Oh, and he manages to reverse. He's got him down for the pin here. No, he kicks out.
Doesn't bode well if you still can't get more than a 1 count by now. Vicious knee.
Locks in the gut wrench. Suplex. What a counter.
Being sized messed up. He might regret getting back up here. Code of silence is locked in.
After everything he's been through, and he just decides to end the hold.
Wonder what he's thinking here. Able to slip away.
Caught with a lariat.
Attacking the arm. Great way to break down your opponent.
Middle rope forearm on point.
Hitting the ropes to pick up speed and
For the win! And he fights it off.
I didn't think we'd see a kick out there.
Ooh! Oh, God. He's looking defenseless at this stage.
I'm positive this wasn't in his game plan, but if he wants to survive this,
Just end this now.
oh, he's playing possum.
He breaks the ref's count before 2.
Still not enough to put him away. Hold on a second. He might be finding a submission hold here.
Okay. Needs to escape and does. Gets free from that painful hold.
Ooh, just adding insult to injury. Superstar setting up. He's waiting for him to rise to deliver something devastating. Uh-oh, double underhook. Tiger bomb. He may have just decided this match right there. The cover.
He kicks out somehow.
Wow, looks like this book has a couple more chapters in it. We might be seeing a whole saga written tonight.
That was the best weapon in the arsenal, but it wasn't enough to produce an end result.
Look at the arm for a Fujiwara armbar.
Fujiwara armbar applied. Looking to take it to the air now.
Oh, it's gonna happen.
Oh, look at that splash! Looking for the victory. 2. Oh, kick out at 2.
No telling how much surviving that will cost, though. I don't know how someone kicks out of that. I don't know how you can still be standing.
And it's going to take composure now. Could just need one more big move.
And no one could have predicted the lengths these superstars would go to steal the show tonight. Up across the shoulders, round and round and round we go. UFO!
He's heading to the top turnbuckle.
Oh, it's gonna happen. On-time bomb! This is all but over.
There's 2. Somehow he kicked out.
His opponent thought he had it in the bag for sure.
This is when you have to switch game plans. You can't let yourself get discouraged.
Everything possible was done to win there, but it just fell short.
Back elbow smash, nothing fancy.
Everything's going his way right now.
This means he's cracked the code to his opponent.
There are no words for the ride these fans have gone through in this match.
It has been a roller coaster, and I don't think the ups and downs are over yet.
Uh-oh.
No!
One after another.
Gosh. He's able to dodge out of the way.
And now gets tossed into the ring.
Could really use a sense of urgency right now when it comes to getting back in the ring. Nice go behind. Up across the shoulders.
Gory bomb!
Uh-oh! And managed to push off there. Clothesline!
Off with their head. Oh, look at mounting, and now the punch is hammering away.
Ruthless. My God, what a striking display. Oh, no. Look what we have here. He has no idea what's coming his way. And a disorienting blow to the head there. And it seems like his head might be the target here. Oh, man. Whoa, drop kick all the way to the outside.
Headed out to ringside now. What does he have planned?
Superstar setting up.
Oh, a slam! Landed him.
Oh, sent crashing right into the ring post. Focusing on the leg there.
He's completely on defense now. He needs to figure out a way to be more aggressive. And he throws the opposition back into the ring. Reversal. He saw that coming. Uh-oh, double underhook. Tiger bomb.
I don't think he's going to get up after that one.
Goes for the pin. Finally ends it. And all the bloodshed, perhaps worth it now.
Here is your winner,
What an incredible match. One we won't soon forget.
With a win like that, he just stood up and commanded the attention of everyone in the WWE Universe.
I think they've noticed, Byron.